Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at the Insta360 X5 camera. Now this camera has been out for quite a few months, but it is 2026 now, and I must say I think it's time to retire my Insta360 X2. Now I've been rocking the Insta360 X2 since it came out, and well, it's been a great camera. Now I haven't utilized it as much as I should have, but I primarily use it for real estate and doing 3D tours. And now that I can use the X5 for 3D tours, we're going to be looking at the differences. I'm going to be showing you some real estate tours with this and also with the X5 to see how much of a difference is it, and was it worth the upgrade going from the X2 to the X5. Now the X5 has a lot of different features that the X2 was lacking, and honestly I'm not sure if I'm actually going to be using those. Some of them are that triple AI chip for enhanced low light performance. Now maybe that could be good if I'm working in a very dark house or if I'm doing stuff at night, which I shouldn't be doing because usually I do everything during the day. The X5 has 8K videos at 30 frames per second, 5.7K 60 FPS. It also has 4K at 120 FPS. It has a 2,400 milliamp hour battery. They say it's good for 185 minutes, so I don't think I'll ever need it for 185 minutes, but we're definitely going to try to test this out. Let's open this up and find out how much different it looks from the X2. But my primary reason for using the X5 is going to be real estate. The real question is, how do you open this box up? Okay. Magnetic. Pretty cool. All right, so this is the X5. Got a nice touch screen there, which is so much more than the X2. This screen is probably 3 or 4 times this screen over here for the X2. It's a little thicker than the X2. Power button is roughly the same. Speaker is roughly the same as well. Has the same bottoms on it. And let's check out the lenses. But the lenses are probably going to be a little different, and they are. The X5 is, I would say, maybe a third to double the size of the X2. But look at the difference between the X2 and the X5. There is a huge difference between them two. And putting them this way, definitely a lot of difference here. So I am very excited to try this out. And let's just see what else is in the box here. And everything else is in here. So I just got the camera itself. I'm not sure if it includes anything else. It does look like it comes with a little carrying case cover, which we'll open up right now. Got this. I want to say, hey, hopefully there's a lens protector in here, but there is not. I was hoping that maybe I could use this for the X5. I'm not sure that that's going to actually happen, and it's not. So one thing I'm definitely going to have to invest in is a lens cover, but they do give you a little microfiber cloth. They also give you a USB-C to USB-C, I believe. So there's USB-C to USB-C. Not a very long cable, I'd say 3 feet or less. And then of course you have all the rest of your stuff, probably instructions on how to use all the different features, warranty information, etc., etc. So overall, I'm very excited to try this out. A few more things. You can go underwater 15 meters or 49 feet. It says it has a wind guard on this microphone, so you don't get all that wind noise, which I know a lot of people that ride motorcycles or have them on their cars like to have these up there. It says it auto backups to the cloud, which I believe the X2 you can upload to the cloud as well. And it also has a horizontal lock on it, which, I mean, in some ways that's good, in some ways that's really not necessary. Because when you're shooting film, I guess if you're doing the 100, I believe it's a 170-degree angle, then you could maybe horizontal lock so you don't have any shakiness, but you should have a pretty good stabilization in there. Most of the time, I would just say film in 360 and just frame it as you go in post-editing with the Insta360 Studio. Other than that, thank you for watching this video. We're going to have a comparison between the X2 and the X5 for real estate stuff. And I'll also try some other video as well. If you enjoy this video, you want to see a couple more videos on the X5, make sure you subscribe. And I'll leave a link in the description below for when those videos are done. So I'll see you later, and take it easy. Bye-bye now.